The clash of the symbol reverberates down through time. History tells us that symbols were used in the Middle East in 1100 BC. Over the centuries, the finest symbols were manufactured with secret methods for blending materials, and those time-honoured techniques still resound in symbol making today. If you want to drum up a little excitement, nothing can beat the symbol. Each symbol has its own character, resulting in subtle differences in tone. Symbol manufacture begins with castings. In this case, they're made of a blend of copper, tin and trace amounts of silver. They are sorted by weight. Then a moving tray that's powered hydraulically takes them to a rotary oven. 800 degrees Celsius heat softens the castings, which are then shovelled into a rolling mill. It squeezes them between two metal cylinders, and the effect is the same as rolling out pastry. These castings go through a heating and rolling cycle up to 12 times, depending on the type of symbol being made. The repeated heating and cross-rolling creates a dense interlocking weave in the granular structure of the alloy. It will make the symbol strong enough to take a real beating. The interlocking weave will also help transmit sound waves more rapidly across the symbol. After the symbol has been tempered and pressed into its final shape, it's placed on a spindle. While it spins, circular cutters shear the edges to a set diameter. Next, a hydraulic engine powers this hammering cylinder, and a computer program directs the force. These impressions will enrich the symbol's sound by changing the path of the sound waves. Next, the tonal grooves are added. This craftsman puts the symbol on a lathe, bottom side forward. The symbol spins on an axle, while the lathing blade cuts into it. He starts with a handheld lathing tool, and then switches to one that's mounted on the machine. The lathing removes the symbol's outer layer and carves those important tonal grooves into it. The depth and position will vary, depending on the type of symbol being produced. The top of the symbol is lathed entirely by hand, so it's easy to control the amount of pressure applied. No automatic machine can duplicate the fine touch of an experienced craftsman who has honed his skill over 5 years of apprenticeship. Now, the newly grooved symbol is removed and put on an edging machine. A metal clamp locks the symbol in place. It spins, while a cutting tool smooths the edge of the symbol. Here's a before and after shot. The ragged rim is before edging, the smoother one at the bottom is after. This chap has the best job. He's in charge of quality control. That means he tests each symbol before it's sent out to the marketplace. And he's having a smashing time. Now a laser etches the trademark into the symbol. It also engraves a unique serial number. Next, a silicon pad sponges up ink from a print plate and transfers it to the symbol. Now that the company logo is on, it's ready for shipping anywhere in the world. This rough metal casting has already come a long way. It's been transformed into a smooth, sleek symbol over a total of 21 days. And that's reason enough to strike up the band.